Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing good. So today's get topic is very interesting as it gets. So let's go. Because I'm explaining the whole situation was happened at Barcelona in the last few days. First, they sacked Kike Setien, the head coach of the Barcelona, and Eric Abidal, and they introduced Ronald Koeman as their new head coach, and they have bring a lot of changes in the coaching staff after their loss against Bayern Munich. And then there was a whole Messi saga. And then Messi was not at all happy after the loss against Bayern Munich, and he told that there was not at all a single winning project in the team in the last few years, and he thought that his time was over at Barcelona. And also his friend Luis Suarez was told by Ronald Koeman through a telephone conversation that he is not at all part of Ronald Koeman plan. And then Messi was very furious about this thing. And then Messi told the president of Barcelona, Bartomeu, that he doesn't want to stay in Barcelona at all. And then Bartomeu told that if any club wants to buy Lionel Messi, they have to pay 700 million release clause to buy Messi.
Seriously, what the fuck are
And
you
it
doing?
was not at all possible by the clubs because there was a COVID crisis going, and first there was a huge salary by Lionel Messi, and then you have to pay 700 million release clause also. And here Bartomeu played a game. He knew that if Messi leave the club, the club was going through the crisis, and there is no club can able to pay 700 million release clause. And then La Liga was also favoring Bartomeu, and La Liga said that if any club want to buy Messi, they have to pay 700 million release clause. And Messi thought that this clause was not at all was not anymore activated in her contract. And Manchester City was the favorite to buy Messi, and they have already they have planned that a 950 million salary contract of Lionel Messi. And then the Messi dad Jorge Messi arrived in Barcelona to talk with the president of Barcelona, Bartomeu, and he told the president that my son will not at all stay in Barcelona anymore. And then Bartomeu said, okay, but if any club wants to buy Lionel Messi, they have to pay 700 million release clause. And here Bartomeu lied. He told Messi in every season when the season is finished, he told that it is your decision if you want to stay in the club or not. But Bartomeu lied to Messi, and then Messi does not want a conflict with his beloved club. So yeah guys, what are your opinion about the decision of Messi? Does he has made a right decision to stay at Barcelona, or should he leave Barcelona? Please tell me guys in the comment section below. And guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're a footballer fan or cricket fan, you should hit the like button right now. And please subscribe my channel if you want to produce this type of videos more. And guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, you should watch it because there was a surprise in my previous video. I will put the link in the description if you want to watch it. And the guys who have subscribed my channel already knew that in my every video from now onwards there will be a target like. So around this video, if you are a Messi fan and Barcelona fan, you should hit the like button right now. So please hit the like button, and please help me to achieve 20 like targets. Okay, so please like my video guys, it means a lot to me. And please share my video to all your football guys and all your friends and family. Okay, and please subscribe my channel as well. Wait guys, first I will tell that who was the person who has answered the right answer in my comment section video in the previous video. So here the comment will appear in the video, Jessica Changi. So yeah, you can also you can also be the person to feature in my next video if you give the right answer. Okay, so today's question, guys, is in which year Messi debuted for FC Barcelona in the first senior team. So you have to tell me the year. So please write the year in the comment section below, and you can be the person to be featured in my next video. Okay, till then, bye bye.